California has 1 million surfers and some of the best surf spots in the world. We're going to show you the truth about what it's like surfing in California. Stick around till the end to see the best surf spot in California. We will show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's dive into it. Truth number 1, it is crowded on the beach. And in the water. Parking after 9 in the morning is impossible. Truth number 3, there are a lot of stingrays that can really hurt you. Truth number 4, we have some of the best waves in the world. Truth number 5, we keep our beaches clean. And they're free, all day, every day. So here is our pro tip. If you can climb down this trail, the beach is never crowded. Black's Beach. Please support us by commenting or subscribing.